All right, Lake of the Ozarks, you guys loved Lake TV's first season of the LOZ Small Business Tour presented by Hy-Vee. So backed by popular demand, bigger, badder, and better than ever before, it's time for the second season of the LOZ Small Business Tour presented by Hy-Vee. On this stop on the LOZ Small Business Tour presented by Hy-Vee, we're off Highway 42 at Osage Beach right next to Bear Creek Valley Golf Course at the brand new Bowlmor Lanes 2. It's bigger and better than it's ever been before right here. We're gonna head inside, enjoy a cold drink, some food, and we're gonna see if we have what it takes to beat a professional bowler. All right, so now we're inside and you see behind me just how great the renovations look. Now I'm here with Scott Grinder, who's the general manager at Bowlmor Lanes. And Scott, everyone knew this as Eagle Lanes, and now that it's Bowlmor Lanes, you're getting busier and busier. I'm seeing a lot of people talk about it. Tell us a little bit about how this all came to fruition with you here at Bowlmor Lanes.
Well, back in August, I met Troy and his wife, and somehow we became friends. He came into my pro shop and he says, I want to buy all 3 of those balls. I said, we're going to be friends. And kind of went from there, and we talked about owning a bowling center, and he asked me how come I don't have one. And I said, well, I'm not sure how long I'm staying at the lake, but if you want to buy one, I'll help you run it. And so here we are.
Here we are, and the cool thing is, the Lake of the Ozarks has so much to offer, and bowling, it seemed like for a little bit was something that was not as popular. Now there's just boom. It seems like bowling is on the rise again between the youth, and of course we know you're big into bowling. For those of you that don't know, Scott's a professional bowler, and he is scary good, and you travel the world and get to see a ton of bowling centers, and you've taken that expertise and brought it right here to Lake of the Ozarks.
Yeah, I've been able to bring in some of the ideas of other bowling centers across the country. And along with the open play and just the people want to have fun and not so serious about it, we've been very happy with our start so far.
Okay, so when people look at Bowlmor Lanes, tell us about the different leagues you guys have and your hours and the different things they can get involved with right here.
Well, our hours are 11 to 11 every day of the week, 7 days a week. On Saturdays, Fridays and Saturdays, we close at 1 a.m. We kind of had the idea of putting it in for more family fun. We're a no smoking facility.
What's so cool is you guys also do cosmic bowling. I got a lot of friends on Snapchat, they're in here not just for league play, but also the cosmic bowling, and that looks like a lot of fun. Talk to us a little bit about some of those things, birthday parties, and those things you offer.
The cosmic bowling is pretty fun. You can come in for 2 hours, $15 includes shoes per person, and you get black lights. Troy loves it. He went out and bought new lasers, and he's got strobes out there on the lane. It's pretty impressive.
Talk a little bit about, real quick, Scott, just some of the improvements that you guys have done. Of course, I see the incredible backdrop here that you get to look at.
Yeah.
Talk about some of the things you guys have done to improve this bowling center.
That was one of them. We went to Atlanta, Georgia, because there was a bowling center that had closed, and pretty much purchased everything we thought we were going to need from them. So the new scoring system, ball returns, tables, chairs. Then we did hardwoods here, put carpet out there. Troy loves cedar, so we got cedar just about everywhere there could be cedar. And we still got more to do. We're gonna add 4 more lanes over there. We're gonna be a 16-lane center, hopefully by the 1st of September. And our game room is gonna go over there and get lots bigger than what it is right now.
That's way cool. And on top of that, you guys do birthday parties and things like that if we want to get a big group and bring them in?
Yeah, we do. We offer 2 hours of bowling for a birthday party for $45. And you get a free pitcher of Pepsi.
Nice. Okay, so a couple things I think about when I go bowl, and it's been a couple years. First, I love to bowl. It's so much fun. But when I bowl, I want good food and I want a cold drink, and that's something you guys also do here.
You're right. Troy's idea was to bring in a restaurant with the bowling center and have a good restaurant, and we got roasted chicken, and we got all kinds of other different items with it. We got shrimp, onion rings, potato wedges, you name it, whatever comes with roasted chicken, it's
I'm not even waiting.
Go ahead. Yeah, they're good.
On top of that, I kind of want to bowl, and you're a professional bowler. This guy's got an average like 303. I know it's not mathematically possible, but he's won a lot of big things. What is your average, Scott?
230 roughly.
Wow. Okay, so you and I, we're gonna bowl a game, but let's not just be you and I. Do you have anyone else we can bowl with?
Yeah, we're gonna bring in our bar manager, Jess. She's kind of new to this sport. She's probably been bowling seriously for a year and a half, maybe.
Wait, you mean the girl that's been warming up for an hour? We have to go against her?
Yeah, she's trying to get the lane set up for our side. You know, it's two
okay.
lefties against one righty.
Don't worry.
Finally a fair tour.
I'm gonna grab a cold drink. I think I'm gonna grab a whiskey, get me ready with a little confidence, and then I'm gonna put on my shoes and I'm gonna beat the professional and the bar manager at Bowlmor Lanes. Let's do it. All right, so I got lucky the first game, but not lucky enough to beat the professional. But boy, that was awesome. You gotta come see him here at Bowlmor Lanes. Now, Scott, first I wanna ask about location and also if you guys are on Facebook or how we can plug in online.
Our address is 914 Highway 42. We're right next door to Bear Creek Golf Course. You can check us out on Facebook on Bowlmor Lanes too.
Awesome. For Scott, Jessica, and the entire crew right here at Bowlmor Lanes, I'm William Holtz with Lake TV. This has been our latest small business tour presented by Hy-Vee.